I heard the commentator at the end of the thing say, none of these teams deserve to lose. I disagree. I think Iran, they were more on the front foot. They created more half chances and more chances. And I thought they deserve. New Zealand picked their moments well, but I thought consistently throughout the game, Iran was the better looking football team.
What really won for me today was the development of football.
Yeah.
The development. These nations came in, they invested heavily in their football, in their development, and if you look at it, you see each of them have a brand, a culture, a system that they're playing, the effort that's going out. And yeah, I disagree with you in a sense. I believe that none of those teams deserve to lose.
Yeah.
Yeah? Maybe Iran may have deserved to win in Urals, but both teams did not deserve to lose.
Understand from that perspective.
Yeah, they played, they put out everything, and you could see the development and commitment to establishing their culture. If you look at the whole history of these teams coming up, you know, even the All Blacks and the culture within New Zealand and the Haka, and if you notice, they fought. They were fighting straight through to the end.